I found my love in Portofino, down in a small Italian bay. After my daily...
Hey guys, so I decided to come on here and do a room tour from when I was staying at Villa d'Este in Cenobbio, Lake Como. And you guys, this room was so beautiful and the view from the balcony was insane. I cannot wait to sit out here and have coffee. Look how beautiful this place is, you guys. The view is literally like insane in the lake. And then another look at this gorgeous view from here. Look at the little like sitting area. Super cute. The only thing I wish is that I wish there were pocket doors right there. I'm sure there were once upon a time so that I could like close this area off. Over there is the pool. Down there, which you guys can't really see, is like a breakfast area. And then like this is just a little like walking area. And then the garden is where I'm going to show you guys next. So, yes, room tour is finished. So the garden area of Villa d'Este was insane. It was so gorgeous, so intricate. The attention to detail here was insane, you guys. And it just kept getting better. Like the more you look around, like the more beautiful it got. And I just fell in love with this area. It was so gorgeous. But how insane is this, you guys? It's literally like one of the most gorgeous things I've ever seen. And then let me show you. It gets really cool because if you walk up these stairs, look. How cute is that? And like the view is like amazing from every direction. Look how pretty this is. And that's another place you can stay. So at the pool area, they had this image of Josephine Baker from when she had stayed at the hotel. And I just thought that was so nice. And this is the floating pool. And you guys, the views were immaculate. I mean, this whole area was just so gorgeous. Then over here is one of the areas where you could have breakfast in the morning or have a drink in the afternoon and have some coffee and just like watch the lake and people watch, and it was just so gorgeous. That's my room right there. Like, you can't really tell, but that's it. touring Lake Como was definitely one of the highlights of the trip, I would say. It was so nice being able to see all the beautiful houses, and just being on the water was just so peaceful. And I really loved being able to see like the House of Gucci house and Gianni Versace's old house and George Clooney's house, Richard Branson's house, and the Star Wars house. It was just so many beautiful places that you've seen like on TV or you've like heard of but you like never seen in person. So it was so nice being able to see some of these gorgeous places in person.
Villa La Castinella.
Oh wow.
Villa La Castinella for Richard Branson.
Oh.
For the Richard Branson for the company. This is for the beautiful property, for the beautiful garden. George Lucas and film and movie and Star Wars.
Oh.
And Daniel Craig and James Bond and Casino Royale on the movie.
Wow.
For on the ex-monastery, this is Villa.
So this store was called Saraceno, and it was so beautiful. They had some of the most beautiful ceramic jewelry that I've ever seen, and I highly recommend checking it out if you're ever in Bellagio. But it was really funny because Bellagio is super crowded and super lively, and Cenobio, where I was staying, is the complete opposite, you guys. So I was super happy that we were not staying in the Bellagio area, just because for me it was a bit too much going on. Oh my god, so beautiful here. When it comes to food in Lake Como, I was able to eat at 5 different restaurants, but there was only 3 that I'm going to be talking about. Il Platano was okay. I liked most of the food, but I did not like the dessert. and I really thought the fish was just okay, but everything else was really yummy. One of the best restaurants I ate at was Casa Peretta. It's a 1 Michelin star restaurant in Chernobyl, and it was so yummy, you guys. The food was so different, and the dining area is extremely small, but the food is just so good. I really highly recommend it. This was a passion fruit dessert, by the way, in the center. I know it looks like an egg yolk, but that's kind of what makes it cool. Look at it at nighttime, guys.